Hi everyone! If you own an iPhone, you need to do this right now to protect your Apple account from hackers and thieves. This only takes a minute, but it can save your phone, your data, and even your money. Let's get started. Step 1 is to enable the two-factor authentication. Go to your settings and click your name, and select Sign In and Security. Then here, tap Two-Factor Authentication and make sure that it's turned on. This prevents anyone from accessing your Apple ID even if they know your password. Step 2. Turn on Stolen Device Protection. Go to your settings and select Face ID and Passcode and enter your passcode. Then turn on Stolen Device Protection. This feature blocks thieves from changing your Apple ID, passcode, and important settings without Face ID. Step 3 is set up a recovery contact. Go to your settings and select your name and tap Sign In and Security. Then here, click Account Recovery and tap Add Recovery Contact. Choose a trusted family member or friend. This helps you regain access if you ever lock out. Step 4 is add a strong Apple ID password. Avoid using birthdays or common password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols because a strong password is your first line of defense. Step 5 is check the device's login to your Apple ID. Go to your settings and click your name and scroll down. If you see any device you don't recognize, tap it and select remove from account immediately. And that's it. Do this today to protect your Apple account from thieves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.